Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have a 1970 Chevrolet SS396 350 horse car. It is a numbers matching engine to the car, so it's a real SS car. We have pictures of the stamp pad along with the VIN tag that do match on the last four. So moving forward, this is a factory code 28, which is a Fathom Blue, original color to the car. Sits on its SS Magnum 500 wheels, BFGoodrich tires with the white letters popping out. This thing has had a frame-off restoration. You got the correct tips in the back, nice chrome. Rally stripes have been painted and done correctly on the car. Beautiful stance, dual exhaust. Interior has been gone through. It's a bucket seat console car with the SS gauge package. Underneath of the car is super clean. Please refer to my photos. And I'm going to pop the engine for you guys, pop the hood here so you guys can check that out really quick. And then what we'll do is we're going to go for a quick little test drive. Okay, hold on one second. Here's the infamous 396 350 horse. We pulled the alternator and we got the numbers off the stamp pad, and that's in our photos there, so you can see that it is a correct motor. Factory manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes set up with the 4-barrel setup. No overheating issues, no leaks. All brake lines, fuel lines have been gone through. Cowl Induction does work as well. Beautiful paint on the car, guys. I don't see any nicks or knacks, and if I did, I would definitely point them out to you guys. But honestly, I walked the entire car 10 times and I do not see anything like that. Underneath, like I said, is really, really nice. The trunk is very solid on the car. This quarter panel, right, has been patched with metal from here all the way down. Okay, it still has its factory GM stampings there. And then on this side, this is an original quarter as well. You got the big 12 bolt with the F41 suspension. Car is ready to rock and roll. Beautiful interior. SS door panels, excellent carpet. Inner outer jams are great. Seat belts all intact. Package tray, headliner in very, very good condition. Car calls for 30,789 miles. Okay. On the rebuild, less than 5,000. You got factory AM radio. It does produce some sound. Heat, defrost, everything functions. Turn signals. No horn at the present moment. Wipers do work. RPM tach works. Turn signals work. Guys, gals, the clock functions. Let me show you reverse right there. Okay. Dual sport mirrors. You guys been looking for a number match SS? I think you found it. In one of the best colors that you can find. Clutch feels excellent. Hurst shifter feels good in the right hand. You got a couple aftermarket gauges down below. Excellent oil pressure. No overheating issues whatsoever. Speedo functions as well. Whoa! Yeah, baby. That's why people buy big blocks, man. Yes, let me put it in first gear. Oh yeah, smoking them gears, baby. Man, this thing stops excellent. It drives down the road nice. No weird noises in the cockpit. Anybody that drives this car is going to buy it. It's that nice. It's a great, great current and future investment. MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street, Addison, Illinois, 60101. We are 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport, 45 minutes from Midway. If you guys wanted to fly in, check out the car for yourselves, not a problem. Come check it out. Everything you see in my video and in my photos is exactly what you're going to be getting. Let's see, if you guys are looking for financing and if your credit score is between 625 and 725, go to mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the app. If your credit score is 725 and higher, go directly to lightstream.com and fill out the application there. Guys, gals, thanks for watching. My name's Thomas. I'd rather you guys text me if you have any questions. If not, leave me a message after the tone. My number is 847-848-1850. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, subscribe to our channel. Guys, gals, thanks for watching. mgmclassiccars.com.